Now that we have our front end and back end both deployed, it would be pretty nice if we could just push one button to deploy it all. Luckily, Cleavr gives us a pretty good way to do that. To see what I'm talking about, let's go to the Settings tab. If we scroll down, we'll see that there's a deployment trigger hook. So we can use this deployment trigger hook for the front end and then bring it to the back end to create a new deployment hook that will trigger this. So let's set that up. We'll copy the deployment trigger hook and then go back to Web Apps, and then let's go and click on Movies Backend and then add a new hook. We'll call this Trigger Front End Deployment. Let's get rid of this placeholder text. We'll type in curl x post and then paste in our URL. All right, let's update that. And let's go ahead and deploy this. Once our backend is finished deploying, this very last deployment hook right here should trigger the deployment process for the front end. Okay, let's see if it triggered the front end deployment. And we can see from the little watch icon that it did. Let's watch the front end deploy now. All right, now that the front end has finished deploying, let's go check our work. Just refresh this page. And all right, the deployment worked. And that's how you can deploy a multi-server web app with Cleavr with just one click.